I showing you this NORTIV 8 outdoor hiking shoe. So as the box, let's open the box and see. So that you can feel really like not exactly the very lightweight, but still lightweight than our outdoor hiking shoe. And then the feel and the things is like a hard sole, protection in the top and the bottom, waterproof design for the sole and in the front, and then also the laces design so you can adjust it based on your own feet. So from the side is a sweet leather on the top, so it's a waterproof design, and also like in the bottom you can see a good sole for walking and on hiking. A comfortable memory foam, so while after wearing it I can feel is like a really comfortable memory foam, fits really well in the shoe, and from the fine and the bottom is a looks really a quality shoe for the hiking.